You can load the approach.
Can load the approach though.
Good.
So the procedure, select approach, and it will be the 36 RNAV, and it'll be from ESDIG. Enter, minimums on, and it will be straight in.
Well, if you're unsure,
yep.
Might as well select the higher minimum.
Okay, 2100 then. Takes a while to get there, doesn't it? It is
2200.
Why did I do that? And load it.
You can check the approach as well with this.
Okay, I've forgotten that.
Break with the chart we have.
So I need to go to it.
Yeah, just keep scrolling down.
And then Sierra India from there is 352. And then Sierra Foxtrot is 358. Right, and we've got 1.6 miles to go. And at that point we turn left 262 for 15 seconds.
Then turn left again?
Yep, to 172.
Yep.
Okay. 262.
You've already done 10 seconds, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so we'll wait for the 15, then start the left turn 2, and go the heading first.
Go to 172.
Good.
Okay. And I'll just stop that and reset it. And when we go wings level, or a beam the aid.
Yep.
Is that going to tell us a beam the aid when it's here?
Yep, it will. Whichever comes later, right?
Okay. Okay, we're on wings level.
Okay.
So we need that to come around to here.
No, it's already passed. So we are wings level now.
Okay.
So start the timer.
Right. So for 60 seconds.
Okay.
And then at 60 seconds we turn left to 352. Now we've got very little in terms of wind going on here.
Yeah, because we delayed a little bit to start the timer as well. We'll call it 60.
Right. At 60 seconds, we're going to come around to 352.
Right, let's do that.
Good.
I'm not very happy with the angle of bank it's making. About 10 degrees. So I expect a little bit more, but
yeah, that's conservative. We can stop that now, can't we?
We don't need that anymore. Oh, turn that off. We don't need that anymore.
It's just giving me my 19.
Yep, it'll give you on the screen as well, right?
Okay, good. All right. This is all coming in now. That's showing us the distance to ESDIG.
Right, we're going to continue with the approach, so we'll turn off OBS.
Okay.
And we'll have a quick check on the QNH again. Don't turn that off.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ballarat, AWS aerodrome weather. Wind 360 degrees magnetic, 3 knots. QNH 1009 hectopascals.
Okay, that's good.
Temperature,
That's
We still want that though, don't we?
800 feet.
yep, good. Alright, we are approaching ESDIG, 1.3 miles to go.
Yep, okay, and at ESDIG, we maintain 4,000 and we we stay on 352.
Okay.
And at Sierra India, we change to 358. We're doing just under 100 knots, so that should be good.
Okay.
At 4 miles. ESDIG. There's ESDIG. So we're just a little bit off.
Yep, we're slightly to the right of the track, yeah? Okay, we need to give a CTF call at Sierra India.
Okay, and that's going to be
It'll be 10 miles to the south, 4,000 inbound on descent on RNAV approach.
this is to Ballarat traffic. Sierra India. Give it early.
Oh yeah, why not?
Ballarat traffic. IFR Cessna 172 Bravo Sierra Victor 12 miles to the south, conducting the 36 RNAV approach at 4,000 Ballarat.
Ballarat aerodrome.
Once there. Okay, mini brief what we're going to do after Sierra India.
Okay, at Sierra India, we'll maintain 4,000 until we are 3 miles before Sierra Foxtrot.
Okay.
At which point we will start our descent, and from Sierra Foxtrot we will be aim for 3070. So at 3 miles we'll still be at 4,000.
Yep, okay, and after Sierra India we're making a right turn to track 358.
358, yep.
Vertical track.
Oh, 358. Now?
Delta Charlie Bravo, contact departures, 118 decimal niner.
And we're 5 miles from Sierra Foxtrot. So, so we need to have our altitude at 2,800. Everything good?
Yep. Set your rate of descent as well. Okay. Can you set it and then not descend, or is it going to descend, start the descent straight away?
It will go into verticals. It'll start straight away.
Alright, so then our top of descent is 2.9 miles.
3 miles, yeah. Yep. 2.9.
Okay. And well, half a mile to go. Let's set the flaps for the descent.
Okay, so we're under 100 knots. Flaps.
And
miles to go.
Yep.
We can go to vertical speed. 500.
Okay.
And at 2 miles, we should be at 3710.
So we can reduce our power a little bit, slow down the aircraft.
miles.
Leaving altitude.
3710, so we're not far off. 1 mile 3390.
Make a track correction there. Very small correction, not that much. Yeah, that's it.
So that's 1 mile 34. Yep, we're still a little bit high. That's Sierra Foxtrot. We should be at 3070. That's in half a mile.
No, don't chase it, we are very close, that's why, okay? Go. See the CDI
Yes.
coming back in, so
Yeah.
make a correction. I think we are a little bit too high.
Okay, so vertical speed. Get 700.
You're heading. We are passing Sierra Foxtrot, we can descend to 2050 on the altitude.
Do it. And so we're from Sierra Mike 3.7. 2750, 3 miles 2440.
Look, I can see the runway now. Yep. So we'll go to the center, say your visual Ballarat cancel salvage.
Okay, so Melbourne Centre, Bravo Sierra Victor, visual, cancel Salwatch.
Bravo Sierra Victor, Ballarat, Salwatch is terminated.
Bravo Sierra Victor. Okay, so we're visual. We could do a visual.
Okay, let's hand fly the rest of the approach.
Autopilot.
As required.
Just 1 second, just get myself straightened up and have a look at my speeds. Okay, 85 knots. Second stage of flap. You take my gear for me. Okay. 25 knots.
Minimums.
Visual continuing.
That's what I should say, is it? Okay, we don't. We've got a 6 knot tailwind here. Happy to land with a 6 knot tailwind.
Well, the Avis says the northerly wind conditions are 4 knots.
Right.
So I'll go with that.
Okay. Final stage. $25 knots. $20 knots.